Alright guys, we got the SS Rob Dog, we got the double kayaks, we got Cody. We're out here, gonna have a good time. Alright Cody, going? Send it.
Like endless rain into a paper cup, they slither wildly as they slip away across the universe. Pools of sorrow, waves of joy are drifting through my opened mind, possessing and caressing me. Shakaru Deva. Oh, nothing's gonna change my world. 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 Images of broken light which dance before me like a million eyes. They call me on and on across the universe. Thoughts meander like a restless wind inside a letterbox. They tumble blindly as they make their way across the universe. Jackaroo Deva. Oh, nothing's gonna change my world. 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 Sounds of laughter, shades of life are ringing through my opened ears, inciting and inviting.
Hey Dawson! How's it going?
Undying love which shines around me like a million suns and calls me on and on across the universe. Jackaroo Deva. Oh, nothing's gonna change my world.
This is really nice.
Nothing's gonna change my world. Nothing's gonna change my world. Nothing's gonna change my world. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly.
Alright, so this is Dawson's little get up
All
here.
your life.
Let's take a look under the peeper.
You were only waiting for this moment.
I got you, I'm just shaking it up, seeing how it floats. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. Dawson, let's take a look up here.
Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly.
I think I told you so.
Blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night.
Alright, we kind of dropped you in some mud. Can't really see much. It's a little muddy out here. Look at our feet. Oh, baby. Good work, boys.